Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into HSBC bank account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm using Chrome. Then, on the address bar, search for hsbc.co.uk. Once you land on the official website, on the right side, you will see login option. Click on it. Then your login page will be opened. Here you just have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, you have to enter your username. If you do not remember your username, then simply click on Forgotten Your Username option available here. If you want this website to remember your username, then simply click on this button and then click on Continue. Then on the next page, you will be asked to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you will be successfully logged into HSBC Bank. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.